In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupons in Go High Level. We'll walk through the process from inside your Go High Level account so you can quickly set up discounts for your products or services. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which buttons to click, and what information you need to enter to make your coupon work the way you want. First, log into your Go High Level account and head over to the left-hand side menu. Look for the section labeled Payments. This is where all of your payment settings, products, and related tools are located. Go ahead and click on Payments to open that area. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the correct sub-account or location, because the options can change depending on which account you're viewing. Once you're inside the Payments section, you'll see several tabs or options related to billing and transactions. Look for the option called Coupons. Click on Coupons to open the page where all of your existing coupons will be listed. If you haven't created any yet, this page might look pretty empty, and that's completely fine. This is exactly where we want to be. Now, on the Coupons page, you should see a button that says Create Coupon. This is usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on Create Coupon to start setting up a new discount. This will open a form where you can define exactly how your coupon will behave. Next, you'll need to fill in the coupon details. Take your time with this part, because these settings control how your customers will use the coupon. Start with a clear coupon name that helps you recognize it later, like Black Friday 20 off or new client discount. Then add the coupon code itself, which is what your customers will type in at checkout. Keep it simple and easy to remember. You'll also choose the type of discount, such as a percentage off or a fixed amount off. Set the value and then configure any usage limits, expiration dates, or restrictions you want. For example, you might limit how many times the coupon can be used, or choose specific products or subscriptions it applies to. Review everything carefully so it matches your promotion. When you're happy with all the details you've entered, go ahead and click on the Create button. This saves your new coupon and adds it to your list. From there, you can start sharing the code with your customers and use it in your funnels, checkout pages, or campaigns inside Go High Level.